Last year, Crosswinds Church joined our Life Abundantly project and sponsored 10 families for the year to become self-sustainable by providing resources such as water filters, Bibles, seeds and fertilizer, livestock, and lastly, ablution facilities to the 10 families. After the huge success and seeing the lasting change that this project has brought about in the community, the families of Crosswinds Church agreed to sponsor another 10 families in a village in Malawi this year. We have chosen 10 families in Mwira village to take part in the project. When visiting them in May this year, we provided them with Bibles, water filters, and food while they wait for planting season. We started the project by providing them with goats and chickens for milk and eggs. They will start preparing the lands in September, and seeds and fertilizer will be provided in October for them to plant the chosen crops for the area. The Life Abundantly project is driven by a single goal: coming alongside the helpless and hopeless to replace death and despair with life and hope. The most important part is giving them the good news of Jesus, and we thank you for the role that you play in bringing lasting change to these communities.